If you think saving money will make you rich, you've already lost. There's a reason some people work their entire lives, save consistently, and still end up with nothing, while others build wealth without earning that much more. The difference isn't luck, it's understanding how money actually works. And in the next few minutes, you're going to see exactly where most people go wrong and how to fix it. Saving money feels smart. You earn, you save, you feel responsible. But here's the truth no one tells you: saving alone is a trap, because while your money is sitting still, everything else is moving. Prices go up, life gets more expensive, and your money, it stays the same. So even though you're saving, you're slowly falling behind. That's the part most people never notice. They think they're being careful, but in reality, they're losing. There's something quietly stealing your money every single day, and most people don't even realize it: inflation. You check your bank account, the number looks the same, so you feel safe. But what that money can actually do, that's shrinking. Every year, things get more expensive, not dramatically, not all at once, but enough. Today, $100 buys you something. Next year, that same $100 buys you less. Same money, less power. That's how people lose wealth without ever noticing it. If your money isn't growing, it's shrinking. Now imagine this: two people, same job, same salary. At first, their lives look identical, but their decisions are different. The first person spends first: better phone, better lifestyle, more comfort. Whatever's left is nothing. The second person does something different. Before spending anything, he invests, even if it's small. At first, there's no visible difference, but over time, everything changes. One stays stuck working for money, the other builds money that works for them. Years pass, same income, completely different outcomes. The difference wasn't how much they earned, it was what they did before they spent it. Now, here's where it gets deeper, because this isn't just about money, it's about psychology. You don't just spend money, you spend emotion. You see something, you want it, you buy it, and for a moment, it feels good. That's not weakness. That's how your brain is wired. It craves instant reward, not long term success. So every time you spend impulsively, you're choosing present comfort over future freedom. And those small decisions, they add up again and again and again, until one day you realize you've been working hard, but going nowhere. So if saving isn't enough, what actually works? It's simpler than you think. Step one: spend less than you earn. This is the foundation. If there's no gap, there's nothing to build with. Step two: invest the difference. Not save, invest. Put your money into things that grow over time, because money sitting still is money losing value. Step three: be consistent. This is where most people fail. They start, then stop. But wealth isn't built in big moments, it's built in small actions, repeated over time. That's the real secret. Most people will hear this and still do nothing. They'll keep saving, keep spending, keep repeating the same cycle. But a few people will understand this and change how they use money. And those people, they're the ones who win. Because at the end of the day, it's not about how much money you make, it's about what you do with it. Like and subscribe if this helped and gave you something to think about. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.